My name's Torben Ellert. I'm the lead online designer on the Hitman franchise, being developed here at IO Interactive in Copenhagen. The Hitman franchise is 20 years old. As we know, it's about the world's greatest assassin, Agent 47, a bald-headed, red-tied, snappily dressed guy who travels the world, meets interesting people, and then totally isn't there when they have tragic accidents. And this is the world's first episodic AAA game. And it has been a fantastic adventure to get to this point, both in terms of the game itself and how it's been received by players around the world, but also the long journey that we've been on to go from shipping a classic AAA game to shipping an episodic AAA game. And a big part of that has been our technology choices. And one of those technology choices was obviously working together with Microsoft, with the Azure platform as a service. It takes a very different mindset to make a game in this way. Not only because we're shipping it an episode at a time over half a year or longer, but also because we need to think about the game as a platform. We need to think about the game as a sandbox that is talking to servers and us looking at what's happening and creating new experiences based on that. So yes, it's a fundamentally different way of thinking about creating a game. It's enormously innovative. So it's almost like being an indie studio with the muscles of a AAA studio.
We use a lot of different services on Azure, so it's hard to pick one as a favorite. But App Insight is one of those that we could integrate very easily with and provide us some kind of transversal monitoring on our systems. What is great about Azure is that we no longer have to worry about the platform. It lets us do what we love to do, making great games. Moving forward, something we want to look at is all the data we are collecting from our running service and how we could use that to leverage the user experience through machine learning, for instance. And Azure has a solution for that.
So, future plans. I'd love to tell you, but then someone would kill me.